If you can't afford to buy it, why not make it yourself? That's exactly what many small workshops in Pakistan are doing with badminton rackets. Imported rackets are too expensive for many people, so skilled craftsmen produce affordable alternatives using simple tools and remarkable ingenuity. The process begins with bundles of thin-walled, hollow steel tubes. A handmade cutting machine, built by an experienced local craftsman, cuts each tube to the required length. Instead of using a saw, rotating cutting rollers smoothly slice through the steel, creating clean and accurate cuts. Next, the tubes are placed into a modified hydraulic punching machine. Unlike ordinary punches that make one hole at a time, this custom-built machine punches an entire row of string holes in a single press. Springs beneath the mould distribute pressure evenly, preventing the thin tubing from deforming. The tubes then move to a multi-roller bending machine, where several rollers gradually shape the straight steel into a perfect circular frame. A cast aluminium connector is bonded inside the frame, using a high-strength metal epoxy adhesive, creating a durable joint once it cures. To transform the circle into the familiar badminton racket shape, workers place it inside a forming die that compresses the frame into a precise oval. The finished frame is then coated with electrostatic epoxy powder, which is baked in an oven to create a tough, rust-resistant protective layer. Coloured paint is added afterward for an attractive finish. Assembly comes next. Workers glue the connecting shaft into a wooden handle and cover it with a heat-shrink sleeve. After heating, the sleeve tightens around the handle, providing a comfortable, non-slip grip while protecting the metal from moisture and corrosion. The most impressive step is stringing. Without expensive machines, skilled workers sit on the floor and weave every string by hand. String tension depends entirely on their experience and the strength of their hands, proving that craftsmanship can often replace costly equipment. Finally, the handle and frame are permanently bonded together with industrial epoxy, completing an affordable badminton racket built almost entirely by hand. This small Pakistani workshop shows that creativity, skill and determination can overcome limited resources, making badminton accessible to ordinary people through practical innovation. If you enjoyed discovering this amazing manufacturing process, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our next tour of fascinating small workshops and incredible handmade production techniques from around the world.